we have about fear. Fear is a natural feeling we get when we expect danger. Fear brings out our vivid imagination, which influence the decision we make. So fear makes us think about the future. For example, you can overcome your fear by challenging yourself and face your fear. You can be treated for fear with acupuncture and conversation therapy if necessary. Fear can initiate one's reactions, feelings, thoughts while the adrenaline pumps in the body. If you often experience fear, it can in the worst case end up in anxiety, which can be treated with medication. We have chosen What Fear Can Teach Us, and in What Fear Can Teach Us, she writes about how fear can be perceived positively. For example, the thing about fear and a story can be the same. Fear may not necessarily control us, but it can give us different outcomes. Fear brings out our vivid imagination, which influence the decision we make. So fear gets us to think about the future. As a child, you easily fear many things, but it is often something you grow from. Among other things, you learn that there are no monsters hiding under the bed.
We have also chosen the lottery. In Texas, most will know shows lottery of a town participated in annual ritual, even if something is cruel. People have the tendency to follow the crowd and participate. Everyone participates in the lottery. Even Mr. Hudson's son, he represents the fear of change and desire to follow traditions. We have also chosen the first of all. It's about fear of communism and Witchbird. Hysteria, the communism had infiltrated the State Department. Panic basated on which hunt tractor force who opposed McCarthy's hearing when changed with the communists themselves. It is relevant because there are many who have a lot of fear in the story. For example, if there were communism or when sees as a witches.
Fear is a universal human emotion that researchers, psychologists, philosophers, and normal people have been trying to understand for ages.
Fear has been an exciting and interesting topic, while it is something that we even experience in our daily life.